Yeah, I've learned today that we really need to have a business plan and to follow that so we can actually get some sales happening. So you have to find a product, know where to look, what we need to do after that. So we go through a 9-step process with that. So that really helped because I have my own business, so I want a business plan, how to get things done, know how to get things done and achieved. He doesn't talk too fast, which is good, so you can learn and hear it clearly. A lot of presenters sometimes rush through things, but he's very clear and deliberate, and he really takes care to cover a subject really thoroughly. So you can learn it and actually learn the real things, what really will make a difference to getting your products going and your business going. I thought of Alex Ryan as a presenter. He was very friendly and he presented it really well and clear because he didn't talk too fast and he went over things in detail. So the clarity and understanding of everything he presented was fantastic. So I took it in because I'm a very simple person at heart. I'm a tradesman, so I'm not very tech, so it really came across really well and I could really take it to heart and use it in my business. Well, anyone that's serious about taking on a new business or a new product or even adding to their income should really consider it because they will get a lot of benefit from it. They'll learn so much and they'll have a new direction in life. Yeah, I've been using the eGrow scanning tool, which we've been taught to use. And yes, I've come up with probably 4 or 5 different product ideas. I've even wrote down some more that I'll have to research, but I've got probably 4 or 5 serious product ideas that I will follow through with gradually and build a brand and a business.